We can maintain our own statement of changes report structures by defining specific statement of changes types. The statement of changes types stand for a chosen list of accounts and transaction types relevant for a statement of changes analytical report. So we can define our own statement of changes types. For example, statement of changes for provisions and accruals. A BPC expert and general ledger accountant displays a statement of changes in general ledger. To see the list of pages for the business process configuration space, open the More drop-down. Select the business configuration page. To open the app, select the Manage Your Solution tile. To begin the configuration, choose Configure Your Solution. In the application area field, enter Finance and press Enter. In the sub-application area field, enter General Ledger and press Enter. To make settings for account assignments and structures in reporting, for the chart of accounts line, choose the arrow. To locate the desired items, click here to scroll down. To choose the relevant accounts for your statement of change type, you maintain one or several semantic tags. For step 10, define semantic tags for financial statement version, choose Configure. To maintain semantic tag, for example, for provision accounts, choose New Entries. In the semantic tag field, enter ZPROV_ACCR as the tag ID and press Enter. Enter long description. In the semantic tag long name field, enter provision and accruals, press Enter. Enter short name. In the semantic tag name field, enter provision and accruals, press Enter. To save the semantic tag, choose Save. The message confirms that data was saved. To return to the Launchpad, choose SAP. For this part of the session, you log in using the General Ledger Accountant role. The semantic tag is now used to tag accounts or groups of accounts in the General Ledger account hierarchy. To open the app, select Manage Global Hierarchy Style. To select type, open the list. You can select either financial statement version or GL account hierarchy to find a GL account hierarchy for tagging. Select financial statement version. To select a status, open the list. Select Active. To display a list of active GL account hierarchies, choose Go. For the active GL account group hierarchy, choose the arrow. Before assigning the semantic tag to the accounts or account groups, you deactivate the hierarchy in order to edit it. Choose Deactivate. Choose Edit. To choose semantic tag, choose the icon in the semantic tag column. To locate your semantic tag, click here to scroll down. Select ZPROV_ACCR you created earlier, provisions and accruals. Choose OK. The semantic tag is assigned to the account, node or account. To save the hierarchy with the assigned semantic tag, choose Save. To activate the hierarchy, choose Activate. The semantic tag are assigned and the hierarchy is active again and can be used in reporting. To return to the launchpad, choose SAB. You now want to define the statement of changes type, for example, statement of changes in provisions and accruals. For this part of the session, log in using the BPC expert role to open the app. Select Manage Your Solution tile. To begin configuration, choose Configure Your Solution. For the session, Finance is selected as the application area. General Ledger is selected as a sub-application area for you. Click here to scroll down. To access the self-service configuration UI for the statement of changes type, choose Configure for Define Structure for Statement of Changes in General Ledger step. The self-service configuration user interface displays. To create a new statement of changes type, for example, for provisions accruals, choose New Entries. Enter a statement of change type. Enter J58 and press Enter. Enter description. Enter statement of changes for provisions and accruals and press Enter. Select a newly created entry to define which tagged accounts and which transaction types are relevant for the reporting structure. You need to maintain the relevant tags for the statement of changes type. Double-click the second line, assign semantic tags to SOC type. To add semantic tags and GL account hierarchy to identify the accounts and account groups which are relevant for the report lines, choose New Entries. To locate a semantic tag, choose Search. Click here to scroll down. Select the semantic tag ZPROV_ACCR provisions and accruals. Choose Copy. Semantic tag can be used in several GL account hierarchies to clearly identify the accounts. For the report structure, you need to enter in the GL account hierarchy in addition to the semantic tag. In the GL account hierarchy field, enter MD1 and press Enter. You assign the transaction types to the statement of change type. Double-click Assign transaction types to SOC type. To enter transaction types which shall form the columns of your statement of change type, choose New Entries. So all transaction types are entered for us. If another column sequence is preferred, you have the option to enter sequence numbers in the sequence number column to maintain deviating column sequence in the report. To save the definition of statement of change type, choose Save. You can repeat the displaying statement of changes in General Ledger session using the newly created statement of change type instead of the predefined statement of change type, SOC. To analyze the amounts in the statement of changes app, you need to have journal entries posted to the tagged accounts in combination with the transaction types. You have successfully displayed a statement of changes in General Ledger and learned how to maintain your own statement of change type.